Hello, today I have a very fun festive look. It's this blue snowy festive look. It is day 3 of 12 days of Christmas. If you don't know already, I'm doing 12 days straight of Christmas inspired looks. I will link the playlist up there for you to check the other videos out. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on any other Christmassy or any other video of mine. Without further ado, if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Okay, so as you can see, I've done one eye. This is going to be a really exciting video. Okay, so it's day 3 of 12 days of Christmas. This is going to be a blue kind of festive snowy adventure. I got inspiration from Molly J MUA on Instagram, who was also inspired by Quartz.makeup, who I absolutely adore on Instagram. So yeah, inspired by this. I'll link her down below in the description box. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the P. Louise base for the eyeshadow base. So I'm just going to apply this straight onto my eye. I'll be using a flat concealer brush to blend this out to start off with, because I want to carve my eyebrows out. Okay, so for this eye look I'm going to be using the Be Perfect Carnival palette and Stacey Marie. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this one called Mood, which is the dark blue. And I'm taking that on a Morphe M508 brush and I'm popping this in the crease, but making sure I go in an oval shape, keeping it rounded on the eye. And then I'm going to take the shade Sky, which is the lighter blue, on a blank canvas E10 brush. Now I'm going to take the P. Louise base again. It's in the shade 0, by the way, which is the white shade, and on the same flat brush I'm going to cut the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take Moony, which is the bright shade by here. It's got a little bit of yellow undertone, and I'm just going to put that on top of the cut crease and down to the inner corner. Then I'm going to take the shade Breezy, which is the lighter shimmery blue, and we're going to put that a little bit further down on the eyelid. And then we're going to take Recharge, which is the darker shimmer metallic shade, metallic blue, and we're going to put that up against the lash line. Then I'm going to take the shade Sky and blend the outer corner out. Then I'm going to take the shade Mood, which is the dark blue, and again further blend the outer corner like so. And then I'm going to take the shade Sky and run that under the lash line. Okay, so now I'm going to go into the decorative part. Okay, so the only brown I had, ignore this eyelash, it's coming off, but the only brown I had was the Colourpop brow colour in Bargain Brunette. So I'm going to take that. Then I'm going to take, this is the NYX white liquid liner. It's not the best because it does harden up. Then I'm going to take the green, the NYX Vivid Brights. I'll have all the shades I used down below, and then I'm going to make the trees. Okay, so now I'm going to add a little bit more brown, add the stumps to the trees, and add the hat for the snowman. Then I'm going to add the windows and the door to the house using the yellow. Then I'm going to add the eyes, the orange and the arms. And then the red, I'm going to make the snowman's like scar. Like so. And now all I need to do is the white. I'm going to apply the snowdrops. And then for the inner corner highlight, I'm going to use the Barry M Baked Tri Blend highlighter in Solstice, and I'm only going to use the silver part. Then I'm going to go off camera and apply eyelashes. I'm applying the Tatty Lashes in TL6, and then I'm applying some Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the final look. I really hope you enjoyed this really like different, creative, fun look. Make sure you're following my Instagram. I will link it down below and put it on the screen, maybe, I don't know. You will see more like in-depth photos and stuff of this look and my other looks. So make sure to go follow that. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more looks like this. Make sure to check out my 12 Days of Christmas. I will link the playlist up there. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Something different, something fun, nothing too serious, just something Christmassy, you know. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it, to let me know. Maybe comment down below your thoughts. I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.